So guys, welcome back to another video this week. For those who are new here, welcome, and for those who are with me, thank you for coming on this journey with me. So guys, today I'm gonna make a wellness shot. This shot is for the hair, it's for memory, it's for a lot of things. So I'm gonna use some apple, ginger, cucumbers, celery, and guys, I'm going outside now for the next ingredients that I'm going to use. And guess what that is? Let's go outside. So guys, I'm going to pick some rosemary. You hear the birds? And they start to flower, so I'm picking this part. So this is what I'm going to use. So let's go back inside, guys. We will continue this video. So guys, here I am. I'm back inside, but I decided to take the plastics of these cucumbers. Then I'm gonna wash everything and get back to you guys. Someone will tell me that they like to see when I wash, but this week I'm in a bit of a hurry, so I'm gonna wash them off camera and get back to you guys. So guys, here we are. This is what I'm gonna use to make the shot. So I'm gonna just slice these in two. You don't need much. I have another bowl on the side, so let's put this over here. So we are going to just take off some of these rosemaries, just like this. And you know, rosemary help with hair growth, so this shot will help with your hair growth and your memory and much more, guys. So you don't have to only make rosemary tea, you can, now you know, you can make rosemary shot. So we're gonna use some ginger. Slice up the ginger. This ginger is washed already, so guys, you don't have to peel it if you don't want to peel it. This is it, guys. So I get a I was gonna get a dish, but then it can hold into this one, so we'll just put this at the bottom here. Everyone can see what I'm doing. Let's move the camera a little bit back. Yep. So we're gonna put the rosemary's in here. Yep. And we have some celery. So we're just gonna cut this off like that. I've washed them, but they have a little mark on them still, so you just don't need to do much. there you are, guys. I'm gonna just throw away these because I wash, but you know, it's just the impression of where the stems meet. So let's get into the video, guys. I have 3 apples here as I showed before. I might just core these apples quickly. I might just core them quickly. So the apple is gonna sweeten this drink, because of course, you know, on this channel we don't use sugar or we don't use water, much water. You can put a little water, bottled water, if you don't, if the drink is too sweet. Like if you put too much apple, then you can put a little water too. But people with diabetic and don't want to have it sweet, even though the fruit sugar is not so bad. Sugar from the fruit is good. So let's get into the juices, guys. So guys, we're gonna start our juicing, and we're gonna put our cucumbers in first and some of the rosemary. So guys, I'm putting in my cucumbers now, and this machine, this Covin Revo 830, I love it. So I'm gonna put some rosemary in, and this is gonna just crush and squeeze. I've added some ginger, so let's keep going, guys. The ginger help with inflammation, the rosemary help with memory, the cucumber is hydrating. And guys, rosemary is good for your hair. It's help with the healing of the wound, help for the blood to, you know, when you have a wound and the blood starts to heal, that's what it helps with. So here we're putting in some celeries. Here you have a look at the machine, guys, and everything is coming together nicely in the mixing bowl, and it's all green and beautiful. And guys, here is our celery. It's good for gut health, and it is an anti-inflammatory compound, so and it lower blood pressure. So let's put our apple in. Our apple in, keep a doctor away, guys. An apple a day, keep the doctor away. So let's keep going, guys. Now everything is coming together nicely, and it is going to be so refreshing. Guys, as we popped our cucumber in, you know that cucumber hydrate you. So let's keep going, guys. So this drink also help with people that have constipation, bloating, and water retention. Celery has vitamin B6, C, and K. So guys, who wouldn't want to try this drink? Guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. Wow, I can smell the rosemary. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna add some spinach to it. So let's put this in the second batch, and with what's left over here, and the small amount of rosemary and ginger. So let's get into it, guys. So guys, I've turned on my juicer and I start to put cucumbers in, and we'll do the same process all over again with the celery, the ginger, and the rosemary apple. And guys, I'm doing a 5-day on this juice, so I'll be making some more off camera. So this is just my first batch. So I'll take a shot a day in one of those, like a shot glass or a bottle like what I'll show you in the end of the video. So there we're gonna put in some more rosemary, and we're gonna keep going, guys. And guys, with the added spinach help you with good vision, give you energy, heart health, bone health, fight against cancer, and much more, guys. So this drink is a super cool drink to have. So there you can see everything is mixing in the mixing bowl, and everything being crushed and squeezed through the machine. So let's keep going, guys. If you incorporate this kind of drink and invest in a juicer, it helps with your health. So everyone should try and invest in a juicer. So let's pop some spinach in and let's keep going, guys. So guys, now we're adding in some spinach, and we will follow up with some ginger and rosemary. Look how lovely and look how green and fresh everything looks. This drink is loaded. So guys, as you can see, the mixing bowl is full. So we are almost ready to let out the next set of juice. And guys, you don't even have to make juice, you can make smoothies too. Try out some smoothies with some leafy greens and see how it goes. So now I'm putting in a bunch of rosemary, and the celery stick is going down slowly, as you can see. And guys, feel free to hit that join button and subscribe. It's free, guys, but the join, you have to join and put a small amount of money a month. I think it's $2. It's not much. So those who want to join can join. So now I'm gonna pop some ginger in. So guys, we are almost finished. The mixing bowl is full, so let's get into letting out the juice. Here we go. Wow, look how beautiful this looks, nice and green. Guys, we are gonna let out our second batch of juice. Here you go. And for those who think you don't have fiber, look at the side of here. See where it's splashed out there? That's fiber. So you still get a little fiber, and people don't normally just feed on juice alone. They have to eat things with fiber. So a juice is good, and this juice is very good. It helps with the growth of your hair, memory, because the rosemary is in it. So this is the fresh rosemary from outside. So guys, let's get into the sharing of this drink. So guys, I'm gonna pour out my drink. I have to be very careful. A little bit of it spill, not much, small amount. So let's just wipe up the area. And let's just get another bottle. I'm gonna put a little bit into this bottle. I normally just make them and take them with me to work in that bottle, a shot glass with a turmeric or whichever. So let's get into the filling up this one. There you have it, guys. So let's cover up and cork the bottles. And guys, I'm gonna try a little bit. And I'll tell you how it tastes. Nice. So guys, as usual, you know I always decorate, so let me do a little decoration. So guys, there you have it. I've decorated my little area. So guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and I hope you all will try this wellness shot. Rosemary, that's good for the hair. So I put some rosemary, and guys, watch the full video for those who just catch this little part. Go back and watch the full video, what I use. So see you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.